Put your hands up. Girl in a bikini. Everybody got a red cup. In a the pool party, oh. Like a scene from a movie. Starring everybody. Oh.
Hi beautiful world. So I'm going to go out by the plaza. Mommy going to follow me. And grocery shopping. And I don't know anything already. It's Monday. So yeah. So what is up? I'm on my way to go on the road. I'm gonna leave out now. Shami on her way home. But she not coming with me today. Yeah, I'm going on the road. I'm going with mommy. We have a number of stuff to get out there on the road. Ooh, it's very breezy today. You hear it? Yes, so oh, I have like 2 more items or maybe 1 more item that I want to get for my giveaway. So I'm giving away like probably 3 to 4 stuff for my 50k giveaway. Yeah, I'm giving away about 3 to 4 stuff. I don't think I'm going over 4. And I'm gonna take you guys with me, so come along. Alright guys, I'm vlogging with the next one. My mommy there, half a trip. I make here walks a distance. I go quantum concepts.
You never buy nothing in this company?
Yeah, I was going to buy something in there, but since to pass it, I can't do for go all the way over there, so no mommy. Blue. You know, blue is a very popular color for Christmas, mommy. Yep. Okay, you know, me tell you something about my vlogging camera, right? Guys, me never tell them I'm finally ordered my vlogging camera from Best Buy. Still not telling now which one, cause I still get it. Divine, I bring it come.
Love that skirt, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Where it go? Which function you say I have?
That function I would wear too.
Huh?
I have a function next week for Thursday, going to teacher get together in the Christmas, like a Christmas send-off thing.
You know, Mr. I want to buy 1 shirt for the man. Even though I buy him that shoes there already. I'm vexed and get it already, you know. You know, every day I come in here, so I go buy the army knapsack there. Yep. But you know, I'm pretty getting used to this, mommy. You getting used to this life? Where people pass and just stare from you?
Yeah. Very much so. Don't bother me anymore.
I'm happy. I'm happy. You want some hair stuff?
If I don't come to school, I would make like a camera bangle for me. My bangle needs some attention.
But you was going to fix it today?
Yeah, I don't care over there to ask them the price or stuff, you know.
Over where?
Happy and the jewelers or what
everywhere is just so Christmassy. Don't look at the Christmas tree, people.
Yeah.
Like the Christmassy feeling, you know? Like Christmassy.
Yeah, Christmassy. I will come like Jamaican in a Christmas.
You know, I am a Christmas. In a this.
This?
Me not like this. Yeah.
Oh, them men, man.
It not look so manly. Yeah. Yeah, I like the top, the shirt.
But that one over there is really
where it pastes under that. So, I don't like it though. Looks like a doily. I like that denim shirt. Mommy, your voice.
Always like coming.
You know, says that jeans like that I bought, right? You know, says you're going to end up get it. You can't not see you. The man I pass and I say hi.
But it's the wrong way.
Yeah, you need to be behind here. But don't use the front camera most of the time, guys, because I get a better quality from the phone when I use the rear camera. What mean I said? Mommy. Seriously, mommy?
Yes, wow.
Black Friday deals. They wish.
Really?
Black Friday deals where they need to take that down. I was saying more than my I want to share it in here, so but no, I prefer to go. Only did buy one denim shirt for him last year, you know. Wait, name, what that store there for male's name again? It there on I remember one, but himself swaggy type of male stuff. Yeah. Lift your shoes. Them stuff with those feet. I tell you.
Azan may have it.
But yeah, the sun is shining bright. You see people, I'm telling you something. Y'all know that I use natural lighting, right? When I'm filming my videos. So when I'm at home and I'm filming, the sun shine bright. Saying I look there, the sun blind me. The sun blind me, and then now that I am not filming, the sun is shining bright. I was supposed to go to Tanzania for makeup. Remember, I did tell you on the last vlog. So Monday I was going to the Tanzania. So yesterday is Wednesday, and I know I'm gonna do it yet because one of the day them she forget her wig. One of the day them she forget her wig. Then the next day she just never ready. So I have to go put it up till tomorrow. Yeah, I like it. Everybody cannot do it. You see the big tree where Kylie buy? Kylie go to Target and buy it. I can't wear this in Jamaica though. Unless they know what it is. No, that's that right there.
I like this black jeans.
Mommy, but I will leave for them the depot fashion over. Yeah. I'm gonna buy this so prefer others. And I will leave for just like them here depot fashion over. I prefer buy them something here online. Now that I'm into the whole online shopping. Yes. It's pretty cool. Mommy, we are good are we? What am I doing here? So Azan? Over so? Oh, you buy something over there? What you buying over there? Huh? Drainer? No. Oh.
Dish.
Yeah, but that not big, mommy.
No.
Okay. Okay, I'm going in here to buy this right now, people.
What you gonna buy?
That I think I'm going to get it in red. What do you think about red?
It's pretty nice.
It's pretty nice. Yeah. You good with that? You sure?
Yeah.
You sure don't want a next color?
Well,
Mommy, maybe buy one soap in here, so do awesome. Guys, by the way, next week my skincare routine, I'm going to publish that on my main channel. No man, come in here. What do you just like you never come with me? Come over here, so this is where I buy do awesome. They sell a lot of like natural type of products. Where you going? Coming, guys. What? No. Thank you. Hello. See here, someone buy it. It's a long time ago. Mama, lift your foot, no man. It's not the first to come in here.
No, come up. Like I know you used to give me herb, I'm gonna want to drink it.
Mommy, yeah, remember in here, so I will leave a natural something you expect. Newbie, I used to buy this, you know.
What is this?
It's a next black soap.
Cider.
But the doodle was not the best one.
Cider, natural antibacterial.
Papaya soap. I wonder, what in here?
What are this? Really? Really?
Mommy, you're so dramatic.
Now what is this thing?
You ready or not?
What are you buying?
This as usual. Because I just run out. Come.
Where you come to buy this stuff still?
Turmeric. I'll be a natural something in my house.
Turmeric has something like the with curry or something.
I wonder how that work with you now. Face and body bar.
Eczema, dog.
It's more expensive, you know.
Oh, that means it's good for like this.
Have ginger in there too, it look like.
Without its spots.
Wow. And let me know it feel hard to detach myself from my doodle or soon.
You can try it. You can try it. I'm gonna do this and try something.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna try turmeric face and body bar. I can't deal with it, you know what I mean? If you guys are watching this vlog,
like the thing, get behind her, like, yeah.
Mommy,
Yeah, I thought that was I want to go.
we can't wear it, you know? No, mommy. But yeah, so if you want to see the vlog here and see my giveaway video, you need to head over to my main channel, check it out now, and see one you can win. Hear that? I cross the road there though, because I can't let me down, so I have to put down the phone here. Could be. So we're crossing the road, it wasn't that chaotic. Maybe behind me this. Today, which day again? Wednesday. Yeah. It's not that busy, which is pretty good. Buy one bag of cane and I come back, you know. Alright guys, so we're in Azan now. I don't know, mommy, what you say I buy again? Then probably change it, switch it up, mommy. This pretty, you can bring your tea in and discuss school.
That's very nice. Yeah, well.
Just never look.
Oh yes, for real. Just really. Yeah.
How much for them?
It's my brother forget.
You can't buy brother bring it for him, man.
I know your brother, I know.
Brother, just make sure him, is it?
One.
Man, make up your mind.
You don't even feel look thick
Mommy,
like
make up your mind, no, man. We need to go over there to go buy some eyelash.
Other way.
Over there, so. Yes, sir?
Nah, go away.
You know, some men like going. I chew them no one this chip up. 10 grand, 5 grand. It's not sell for nothing. Since I got done to the giveaway, it will go up on my channel by the time when you see this vlog. The giveaway video I got already up on my channel. So I'm just showing you what I give away. I'm giving away the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette, and this smells like actual chocolate. If you guys do not know, this smells heavenly. This palette is absolute bomb. Alright. Okay, so one of them are me. Okay, so I don't know who is going to win this. I'm going to give away a pair of lash that looks pretty natural, wispy, and nice, you know. So I'm giving away this one, and it's Flirty from Coco Lashes. And I'm giving away this is intent. Is this dipped in? I don't remember which one is this. I'm going to look back in there and making that guys know. But when we hear it though in the giveaway video, Terry by Cosmetic. I got this at Terry's Cosmetics, and the other stuff them where I come from Terry Cosmetics. So yeah, big up she. This is from Annabeliza, my girl Annabeliza. I want to see me always adore makeup, yeah. And this is from my girl Lyric Rochester, Jamaica makeup artist. They don't know me if I support her, because she support me, and all of us just support each other, and it's just a big union. You get me? So I have to support them, so that's why I kind of compile everything. I never get around to going by all the cosmetics, but certainly for my next giveaway I'll try to incorporate that. But I just make you see what one. It's nice though. I wish I did me a win this. My mom and I'm cooking, guys. I'm cooking curry chicken, and I'm cooking some rice with that over there. Show you. Let me just throw it in the pot. Ooh, I wish there was a feature for YouTube where you could actually smell it. It's almost done with the curry chicken and thing. Yes. Just put in some sweet pepper, just some strips. I don't cook it for very long in there because I'm done with my rice. Yeah. Okay guys, so heading to Panino. Shall come home for assist me with the videoing. See, she have the tripod and the way they make in the back. Yep. So that's what we are about to do. And after my time, remember my tennis time I go Terry's go collect the little stuff I have at for the giveaway. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go home now, but I done her face. Sorry. I'm not getting no close up enough to watch me cover Mondays. Not this Monday, the next Monday. Yeah. Shop necessities. Yes. For all the clothes them and shoes them or something. Everything nice, the thing up like 7. She named Tanina. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'm going home now. So come on. So that's it.
She's my ride or die. She's always by my side. She know this is a gangster life. Anything can, now she make me choice. My